In this video, we'll implement an example of max function using stream and also through reduce. So let's create a new class, new and Java class, and the class name is stream max example. So let's create public static void main, and inside public static void main I'll be creating a list of integers. Numbers is equal to arrays dot as list and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So first we'll be calculating the max using stream max function. So the stream max function return optional result is equal to numbers dot stream dot max, and here it needs a comparator, so I can provide a comparator integer : comparator, and check if result is present, then print out result. Now let's look into reduce. So in reduce, what we'll do is that we will create a variable result2 and numbers dot stream dot reduce, and we'll provide an identity operator 0 and a, b, and a plus a. If a is greater than b, then if a is greater than b, then a, otherwise b. So let's look into how it will work. So first time we get 0 as one operand and 1 as a second operand, so it will give us a result of 1. Next time 0, and next time 1 and 2, so it will give us a result of 2, and 1 and 3, or 2 and 3, and result will be 3. So it will work if we have a non-empty list, but if we have a an empty list, then it will return 0, which is not ideal situation. And so to avoid this, what we can do is that we can reduce the identity and just only have our by function. So in this case, integer result 3 is equal to numbers dot stream dot reduce, and just remove the binary operator and then just provide the binary operator. Just remove the identity operator and then just provide the binary operator. So a, b, and a is greater than b and a, otherwise b. But here it returns an optional, so make it optional result 3, and check if result 3 dot is present, then print out result 3. Now let's implement the same using integer function sum. Optional result 4 is equal to numbers dot stream dot reduce, and here we'll be providing, instead of writing our own lambda expression, we will just use the integer and : sum. and this is also operational. So if result of 4 is present, then print out result of 4. And now let's run this example. So here it is printing optional, so we'll just get the result.get and result.get, and also result4.get. And let's run this example again. So integer.max. And now let's run this program. Let's run this program one more time. You can see that the maximum number is 8 and all three have printed out 8.